Right. நாங்கள் already பார்த்த விஷயம் தான் இது, but இருந்தாலும் we are going to kind of recap everything tonight's lesson. பண்ணிட்டு let's see how we can progress to the next level அப்படின்னு சொல்லி. Okay, so write positive or negative sentence. நான் இப்போ டாபிக்கை வாசிக்கிறேன், ஹெடிங்கை வாசிக்கிறேன். Write positive அல்லது negative sentences begin in box A and choose an ending from box B. Okay, so that's the question. First one is done for you, and let's look at how we can do the other part. So Peter's parents are on holiday. Question is, use positive or negative sentences. Okay, you can use both positive and negative sentences. So now let's look at the answer. How can we answer it? New York
is the capital of the USA.
is the
Capital of the USA.
capital of the USA. New York. USA the capital என்ன?
New York தான் sir.
எது? New York தானா?
New York.
Okay. New York is the capital of the USA. New York. New York தானா? Okay. Right. What about the third one? New York City football. Football
Is a popular sport in Britain.
is a popular sport in Britain. In Britain. Okay. Paul
He is 20 years old today.
is 21 years
21 years old today.
old today. Okay, how about the next one? Paul, Britain. Britain,
It's a hot country.
is it a hot country? Is Britain a hot country?
Isn't a hot country.
Isn't a hot country. Good job. Britain isn't a hot country. All the shops
Are closed at lunchtime.
are closed at lunchtime. Are closed or aren't closed?
Aunt.
Why is that? I think are closed. Restaurants and vandirunda aren't closed. Shops and I think closed. Restaurant and they aren't closed. Okay, how about the next one?
I am at work this week. I'm on holiday. I am not
at work. I'm at work this week. I'm not on holiday. Okay. I am on holiday and birthday. I'm not at work.
Not at work.
I'm not at work this week. I'm on holiday.
Holiday.
Okay. Too many chocolates.
Too many chocolates aren't
good for you.
Good for you.
Good for you. Okay. Sally's teacher
Sally's teacher isn't British, she is American.
isn't
British.
British. She's American. Good job. Good job. Time. Okay, let's look at this question. Look at the picture of a family group and ask questions about the people. Read the